Making lasagna? Not so hard. Let's make this wholesome dish. As you can add veggies of your choice and balance the protein according to your own taste. Take some extra virgin olive oil, add some garlic, some onions, some vegetables, some salt and pepper, some mushrooms and cream into it. Saute it for a while and then add some chicken stock into it. Add any cheese of your choice. You can adjust the quantity as per your wish. Then take the protein of your choice, saute it in extra virgin olive oil, add some salt and pepper and some herbs according to your own preference. Then add this tomato sauce into the chicken, stir it well. Let it cook for around 4-5 minutes and let's plate it now. Take the baking tray, add first layer as your tomato sauce, then put your lasagna sheets into it, then put your cream sauce mixture into it, add some cheese into it, and you can repeat the process until your baking tray is full. You can add cheese according to your preference. I have kept it minimal, but you can be generous and add as much as you want. Lastly, on the top layer, add generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius on a preheated oven or until the top layer turns brown. That's it.